So hi everyone, let's look at this question. The expression given below the variation of velocity with time, they are asking the dimension of A, B, C. So dimension of A, first of all look at the expression, it is 80 square and we will apply the principle of homogeneity. Bt by C plus D. So we can add C with T. If you look at this, C plus T, only possible, whatever output will be, its dimension of C will be dimension of T, like this. Okay, yeah. Dimension of AT square, dimension of AT square is equal to dimension of V. So you can write V will be dimension of V T square. So what is the dimension of V? Velocity is displacement by time. So LT minus 1, T minus 2. So it comes out to be LT minus 3. Dimension of B. So you can check carefully. Dimension of this whole term Bt by C plus T is same as the dimension of V. Clear? So you can write dimension of Bt divided by dimension of T. Velocity is Lt minus 1. So dimension of B comes out to be, if you solve, dimension of T, that is cancel out, Lt minus 1. So they are asking what is the dimension of ABC. So dimension of ABC will be dimension of A, dimension of B, dimension of C. So what is the dimension of A? LT minus 3. Dimension of B, LT minus 1. Dimension of C is T. So dimension of ABC comes out to be M0 L to the power 2 and T to the power, which is minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. It comes out to be minus 3. So which option is correct? M0 L square T minus 3, option 1. I think this doubt is clear. Thank you.